Jeff Bezos bought a super yacht. It might be the yacht to end all yachts. An absolute monster. Maybe it cost $500 million, they're guessing. Could be $500 million on the yacht. And it may have been in production now for up to 5 years. You don't just snap your fingers and get a yacht, like a super yacht like this. Well, he's got a few dollars himself. His estimated net worth stands at nearly $200 billion. So that's something. The crazy part is the main yacht, because of the way it's built, is going to have these big masts coming up. And so because of that, you can't land a helicopter on it. However, you're going to have another yacht, which attaches to this yacht, which is a smaller yacht, which a helicopter can land on.
Is that it?
That's how big the small yacht's going to be.
So it's going to be like tailing the bigger yacht?
Features a wall made of stingray skin. Oh my God. The Dutch yacht maker has not commented on the project. This is all super secret, so we don't know anything. I think this is actually another yacht that they've made. We really don't know anything, just to give us an idea of what to expect. But they do crazy things with these yachts. Now, there's also some argument around what exactly constitutes a super yacht. The rumor here is that it's going to be 417 feet. Almost 500 feet. How long is this right here? I don't know. I feel like it's maybe.
Jack would.
Whatever. Just try to envision the scale of a yacht like this. Estimated cost of $500 million. And here's the crazy part. The key, one of the things that's key is this helicopter landing pad, because his new girlfriend, Lauren Sanchez, is a trained helicopter pilot. What's that, Finn?
These things never turn out well.
You're trying to say, man?
No, there's been the personal flying. I don't know. Well, I guess it goes on.
You're saying? Are you telling me you're not?
She's flying the helicopter.
You're not going to go for a ride when Jeff invites you? You nervous?
I don't know.
The smaller yacht is also expected to be loaded with other goodies, such as cars, luxury speedboats that are inside the other yacht, and probably even a submarine, experts say. So the small yacht breaks out, and then the small yacht has speedboats in it when you really want to have some fun, and it has a submarine in it. And the helicopter can land on that one. And then that one can go to all your different destinations, and then you go back to Superyacht, which is like a nation on the water. You see how this all works, right, Will?
Yeah. I mean, he can literally live in here, right?
Oh, God, yeah. He could run Amazon and Blue Origin and everything else.
Yeah.
Although he's kind of chilling out on Amazon a little bit, at least by title.
Good for him, I guess.
His yacht is coming in at over 400 feet, which is almost as big as the Great Pyramid of Giza. You ever seen that pyramid before?
Not in person. I would like to.
Really? Probably pretty hot, though.
Well, I'll bring one of those coolified devices.
Around the neck.
Yeah.
That video didn't come out yet. How dare you tease it like that?
Coming soon. Go check it out.
Definitely coming soon. Therefore, only a few jumbo super yachts like Bezos' vessel are completed each year. But high-profile projects are often done with such secrecy that builders are required to sign non-disclosure agreements. The Russian oligarch and fellow yachtsman Andrei Melnichenko is the guy that covered an entire wall in tanned stingray. Wow.
Oh.
Anyway, this yacht business is apparently doing pretty well. You know, some people didn't do so well with the COVID. Other people did all right. they made a few bucks and they got to put it somewhere. And they go for the super yacht.
Uh-huh.
What do you think? You have any desire to get out there on a boat like that?
Yeah. If
Oh.
I had the money, why not? Why not buy a super yacht?
Oh, okay.
Wouldn't you?
I don't know. I mean, the yacht thing is interesting. I think about like where you got to put it and store it, and the bigger it gets, the more of a
Maintenance.
like
right?
I can't
Yeah.
help but be like, how's my yacht doing over there? How close by is it? Like this guy's all over the world, right? He's here, he's there. Let me go check up on my yacht. But I guess you got so many billions of dollars. You got a yacht guy who lives and manages, and
Sure,
it just
yeah.
keeps it ready to go whenever you want it.
When you're ready to go, like it's all good.
I know Bezos had a few people mad when he was on David Geffen's yacht when COVID first broke. And he's over there with the shirt open and the short shorts, the expensive short shorts with maybe it even had floral on it. And he's just having a time in the middle of Europe somewhere. And people got a little upset. They said, we're over here with the masks on. We're over here in the lineups. We're over here without the toilet paper.
Yeah.
And you're over there on the Geffen yacht. That's the photo, actually, with the group of them there. That's the photo where they were at. And you see the shorts that he's wearing. It's a luxury short. I don't remember the brand, but it sold out after that. You couldn't get that short after that.
I can't even see anything.
The short, look, there's a pattern on it.
Yeah.
There were some other photos that showed it a little bit better. But all these people, it's the high profile types.
Real wide with that stance.
Well, he needs room to breathe, then. You can understand that. That's Geffen on the left over there, and he's famous for the yacht. And so obviously Bezos had this experience. He's like, I see your yacht and I raise you 100 feet. But that's a yacht itself, ain't it?
That's a building in the sea.
That's a yacht itself, though.
Yeah. Very
So
cool.
anyway, that's what you do, Willie. Do when after this show becomes successful, then that's what you do.
Here's hoping.